Super bullish on crypto right now. Here you can see, first of all, yesterday Trump said this: I'm committed to making America the crypto capital. So this means that there is so much more coming for him to make the America the crypto capital. That's why I think he is basically working on it, and it is coming slowly, as most of the people expected everything would come much faster, but it obviously takes time to do these things, which are changing the whole landscape of the whole world. This is the first thing. The second thing is the global liquidity. You can see, if you follow global liquidity, you can see that it basically goes up, and only few weeks, few months after that, the Bitcoin is reaching all-time highs, new all-time highs. Here you can see a global liquidity when the pandemic was in 2020, 2021. Basically, the money was printed like crazy. And here you can see only after a few months, few weeks, the Bitcoin and the crypto started to pump. And right now we are around here. Although we had the ETFs, the BlackRock ETF came out in early 2024, I think late 2023. That's why the whole 2024 was quite bullish, but still we are not even close to euphoria. And looking at the fact that the global liquidity is starting to go back up in early 2025. I mean, right now in February, I stay really bullish. I think 2026 and maybe even deep 2027 we will experience a major bull run in crypto. With everything that the new USA administration will do, I think this will be something really insane. And another fact is that Ethereum reserves on exchanges hit 9-year low as supply shrinks. I think it's the same for Bitcoin, which means that if supply is going down, the demand is going up, the price will be going up. That's why, again, for me, Ethereum still, my target for Ethereum is $10,000 per Ethereum in 2025. If you're looking at overall markets, Bitcoin is basically recovering, and in my opinion, we will not see anything as crazy as the Argentina rug, the Prime, or how was it called, the Libra. The Libra coin was basically rugged, went basically to zero. I think we will not see anything as big as that. That's why there is a high chance that we will see a basically price pumping back, and we can already see that Bitcoin, Ethereum is coming back. That's why I'm still remain really bullish. Solana, where is Solana? Yes, Solana is back from 164 to 174. And still meme coins will be one of the biggest narrative in this year, probably next year. We will see, of course, utility coins coming back, but right now, as we are still approaching this euphoria, the meme coins will be the most, basically the biggest narrative. And the alpha for today is that Kaito AI airdrop is coming basically in a few hours. In 1 hour we will see the checker and we will be able to claim, and in 2 hours the TGE basically listings will be coming on Binance, maybe on Coinbase, because this Kaito will be released on Base. That's why I think Coinbase most likely will list Kaito token as well. Yeah, really bullish on crypto. Don't fade the space, because the biggest bull run of our lifetimes is coming. If you cannot make money, if you don't have money, find a job in this space. Just do something in crypto. That's my basically advice for you. And nothing in this video is a financial advice. Hopefully we experience a huge bull run. Hopefully nothing bad happens in the world, so the price don't dump even lower, but I don't think prices can dump lower than 90,000 for Bitcoin. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Press like, press subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, basically press notification bell. And if you don't want to miss on daily alpha like this, you can join my Patreon. All the links are in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.